Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, I'm going through the freezer tonight, and I found some of these using your spicy Cajun brand bratwurst, folks. Oh man, they've been in there for probably since last fall. But I had their onion ones. Oh, they were so good. And these Cajun ones weren't bad too. I think I picked these up on clearance. But anyway, cleaning out the freezer. Let's cook these up, and we're gonna do them. We're gonna do them on the gas grill. We're gonna do them on that the Big Easy smoker roaster grill. Let's go take a look at that and get these fired up. All right, so there's the Big Easy, the Char Broil Big Easy Smoker Roaster Grill. Folks, they still make the Big Easy, but they just don't make the Char Broil Smoker Roaster Grill anymore. And the difference between the two is that this one's bigger, and it actually has a grill grate, but I've heard of people, and I've also done it myself, on the regular Big Easy, which I have, is just to put a grill grate on top of it, and it works. This one has a smoker box in it too. Where you can actually put wood chips or pellets in there and get a little smoke out of it. And believe it or not, it actually works. So I tell you what, super simple here tonight. We're going to put those Cajun style brats on the grill and give you a couple look-sees. All right, folks, this grill cooks fantastically well. And I've got it set almost at half, and we're running about 350 on the lid, 375 actually. And you can see we turned them once nicely brown. I turned it down a little bit because I really don't want to pop that casing. I want to keep it where it is. And you notice I'm cooking off to that 10 o'clock side. So the hottest part of this grill is at the 5 o'clock area. So keep on going here, and we're going to show you something crazy how I eat these. It's not what you would expect. You talk about crazy. That's crazy right there. So I'm using some tortillas, some flour tortillas, soft, and we just put oh man, have you ever tried this secret stadium sauce? Used to get that at the ballpark. I don't know anybody goes to the ballpark anymore, obviously for reasons, but I just you can put some onions in there too. I don't have any cooked up, and you just roll it up like that, and oh man, that's awesome. Secret Stadium sauce. Got those Cajun brats, some soft tortillas, flour tortillas. Oh man. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, appreciate you watching. Thank you.